95 Chevy 1500 V6. What we got done on it for you guys? Put a new cross member. He had somebody else did that and it was just really bad. Then it's got factory converter there. Then what we done is put 3-inch pipe, vibrant style muffler, but it's a knockoff from eBay or whatever. Stainless steel 3-inch in, 3-inch out. Then we put him a 3-inch tailpipe out the side into a blue flame tip out the side like that. That's what he wanted. So we do what he wants right there. And it's a 5-speed, so we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. There it is. We'll have a link in the description for the tip and the bottle style muffler for you. Not bad for a 1500 V6. Decibels again. 110. Let it back it out. This is everything we cut off. So much nicer when we do it.
I recommend this place. My friend, we're good.
Anytime, brother. Thank you. Yeah, it came out really nice.
Yeah.
It sounds deep.
Yeah, nice. I recommend every Mexican people come here.
Tell them in Spanish.
Por favor, suscríbanse al canal de mi compa de Exhaust Muffles y aquí este compa trabaja chido.
Gracias. Sounds really good. Let you guys hear on the inside. Chevy. Side pipes.